want to keep doing this. But then when I come around, you don't want to post up. So.
What the fuck? Is this allowed? What the fuck? Is that allowed?
Stop.
You are my dad. You're my dad. Wookie, wookie, wookie.
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
Okay.
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free time.
Who can say where the road... That shit hurting.
Whoa. Hurricane Katrina. More like Hurricane Tortilla.
What the fuck, Richard?
Hello?
Hey, I don't think you're old enough to be smoking those, kid.
Keep walking, old man.
The fuck?
Your days are numbered. I want to be a cowboy, baby. Yeah. I want to be a cowboy, baby.
Oh. Does it feel good?
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
I thought you were bae. Turns out you're just fam. Bruh.
Who's the hottest Uber driver you've ever had?
I never went to Uber driver.
Why? 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 Why?
Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Hey, 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 Mr. Postman.
When people are like, vegan food's gross. Really?
Animals are innocent. Don't be speciesist.
You know, it's huge. You want to start playing your best baseball towards the end of May.
What's your name?
Marty McFly Williams.
And what are you about to do?
I'm at the bomb this Master Hill.
Well, son, it appears that your cancer just— Whoa, I have cancer? Whoa, I interrupt people? Yeah.
You either buckle down and do your work, or you'll end up at McDonald's.
We going to McDonald's if I don't do my work?
No!
Oh, I forgot the eggs. Wait, Mom, no! Next in line? My mom just went to pick— I said next in line! I can't pay for this!
No off-topic questions. Because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic questions. Next. You have been stopped.
Oh my gosh, is that Corbin Blue from Jump In?
Neck and neck. Bud Light with the lead. But here comes Busch Light! Busch Light!
That's it.
Okay, would you like that toasted?
For here.
No, toasted.
No, I'm not.
Cinderella, why do you want to go to the ball? 'Cause stepmother, ball is life. Ain't that the girl from Twitter? Yes, girl, go say something to her. Excuse me, you was talking all that trash on Twitter, but I'm here now, so what's up? Oh my God, girl, I was—
You want answers?
What did you do?
I shaved my eyebrows.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you in a big time rush.
Break all my life, man, fuck fake. If I did, I'm a non-sweater, I let him eat my ass like a cup.
Oh my God, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
I know you love me. I know you care.
Sorry about that.
Dude, I finally finished my book about nutmeg. Well, it's about time. No, Kevin, it's about nutmeg.
Don't fuck with me. I have the power of God and anime on my side.
Wait,
Get me a Bloody Mary. And make it snappy.
Sir, this is Subway.
Just make it happen.
Is that a dog in a car? Hey, hey! Where'd you learn to drive? What?
From St. Vincent, St. Mary's High School, number 23.
Wanna go smoke a joint? Wait till you get on your math test.
Why were you watching that?
Please don't tell Mom! Don't!
This is the dimension of imagination. It is an area which we call
iridocyclitis. Ralph, did you eat my tater tots? Ralph. Oh. Keep them.
I have banana peel on the ground. I'm gonna see if it's really slippery like it is in the cartoon.
What did you do? What?
Suck dick on accident.
How the fuck do you suck dick? Bro, low key? Dude, low key? Low key hate myself. Low key, bro.
All around me are familiar faces. Hi, my name is Failure, and you're watching my life crumble into pieces. Do it.
What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle.
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
So no head?
What's your name?
What the
I mean, 4 female Ghostbusters? The feminists are taking over. I'm an adult virgin.
I'm waking up. Zach, stop. Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
Zach. Ryan.
Daddy?
Do I look?
Oh. What are you... Oh, my man.
Hey, Darren. What's up, bitch? Stop. Bitch.
Cut it up.
America is great because America is good.
Wow.
Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
I don't know what you better stop! Bitch, stop!
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
You are Cookie Monster.
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh jeez!
How do you know if you're gay? Why does my penis grow in the morning? Why don't I have a penis?
I want all these hoes to know that a real nigga just hit the dope. No more Versace, get off of my clothes.
I got it! Yes, bitches! Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please! Hey, Tara, you want some? This bitch empty! No. Yeah! That was legitness! Yeah, it was.
Saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think!
I won't hesitate, bitch.
Put that candy back. I'm not buying you all that mess. Oh, try me, bitch.
Adrian, Michael, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I do love working here. It's just, we all have a lot of laughs. Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means? I don't have enough money for chicken nuggets.
Used to dream about a space, but now they're laughing out the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
You got a bag? Oh no!
Shots! Everybody!
That's what good pussy sounds like.
الحمار?
Do you know where I can get any crack? You say yes. You do? Where?
My house.
You got a crack?
Squirrel use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
That's cute. I wish I could get it.
You can't sit with us. Actually, Megan, I can't sit anywhere. I have hemorrhoids.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart, cause they're not gay.
Cam and Colin, run in here and come get y'all juice.
Shit.
Happy birthday, Raven!
Okay, soon.
Mom, I have something to tell you. What is it, honey?
I got an abortion.
I have to restart my potatoes. Oh. I smell like beef. I smell like beef. I smell like...
I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I'm not even worried about it.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class? No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read. What?
I'm peeing on myself. Better not. You will.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Boy's white name Troy.
Cam, there's a cockroach right there! Cam! Here! I'm joking. I'm joking.
You need Jesus.
We ain't going nowhere until you drink all your milk. Oh, you want to see Jesus?
Give me your fucking money.
Hello. 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 Hello.
I'm washing me in my clothes.
Drunk as fuck.
Bitch, I'm washing me in my clothes.
Metro don't trust you. I'm gonna
So you just gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift?
Happy birthday?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I got 2 free tacos!
Adam.
Is it real? And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Open this.
Sure.
Yeah. Hey, don't throw that.
Oh, sorry.
Video, goddamn. Party.
Whoa, you good, man?
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?